To pay in 3 installments on PayPal, you need to have a PayPal account and be eligible for the Pay in 3 service. This service is available for certain purchases and allows you to split the cost of an item into 3 interest-free payments. First, make sure you are logged into your PayPal account and have a valid payment method linked to it. Then, go to the website of the merchant where you want to make a purchase and add the item to your cart. Proceed to checkout and select PayPal as your payment method. When you are redirected to the PayPal login page, enter your email address and password to log into your account. You will then see the payment details, including the total amount and the option to pay in 3. If the Pay in 3 option is available, you will see it below the total amount. To use Pay in 3, click on the Pay in 3 option and review the payment schedule. You will see the amount of each installment and the due date for each payment. The first payment is due at the time of purchase. The second payment is due 1 month later. And the third payment is due 2 months after the purchase. If you agree to the payment schedule, click on the Agree and Pay button to complete the purchase. You will then receive a confirmation email from PayPal with the payment details and the due dates. For each installment, it is essential to make each payment on time to avoid any late fees or negative impact on your credit score. You can set up reminders or automate the payments through your PayPal account to ensure you never miss a payment. PayPal's Pay in 3 service is a convenient way to split the cost of a purchase into 3 interest-free payments. By following these steps, you can take advantage of this service and make purchases with more flexibility and control over your payments.